What's up, Bixbyans? Today, I'll be demoing how Bixby can help you browse Twitter, control your phone's display, and provide various utilities. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that wake word out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. A video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. What's trending on Twitter?
Check out what's happening on Twitter.
Search for sports news on Twitter.
Check out what's trending for sports on Twitter.
Turn on dark mode.
Actually, dark mode is already on.
Set brightness to 50%. Change screen timeout.
Which option would you like? The setting for screen timeout is already set to 5 minutes.
Turn on auto brightness.
Okay, I turned on adaptive brightness.
Turn on blue light filter.
The blue light filter is now on.
Spell potato with NATO alphabet.
Papa Oscar Tango Alpha Tango Oscar.
Ask color picker to mix green and blue.
I mixed together blue and green into teal.
Use my brain to remember the keys are in the second shelf.
I will remember that you said the keys are in the second shelf.
Ask my brain where are the keys.
Here's the best match. You told me a few seconds ago the keys are in the second shelf.
What's a 20% tip on $45?
A 20% tip on $45 is $9.
So there you go. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more of what Bixby can do to help you throughout your day. Now, our YouTube channel is dedicated to developing voice apps, aka capsules, for Bixby. If you'd like to learn how to build something for Bixby, there will be a Hello World tutorial in the description below. And now, just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Got it, I've turned off Do Not Disturb.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.